tengo hambre. Quiero comer algo. Démelo, manito. ¿Qué es eso?
Queso. Esto no es queso.
No, manito. ¿Qué es eso?
Queso. No hay queso.
Manito, ¿qué es eso que tú comes?
No estoy comiendo que.
Look, bro, I think your cousin needs some help in here because he keeps coming to me talking with an Italian accent in Spanish, saying, queso, queso. And he knows I don't speak Italian. I barely speak Spanish. What the?
Bro, he's not saying cheese. He's saying, what is that?
How is he saying, what is that? I don't speak perfect Spanish, but I speak a little bit. I know what that is. ¿Qué es eso?
You're right. ¿Qué es eso? Pero tú sabes que somos dominicanos. What happens to the S in Dominican Spanish? If it's at the end of a word, then we typically eliminate it. So, que, es, the S becomes e, and then we have eso. So, you have three E's connected. We just smush them all together. Que, eso, or said fast, queso.
Okay, gracias. Voy a decirle lo que estoy comiendo entonces.
If you want more Spanish tips and tricks like this, make sure you go ahead and follow me here and on YouTube. And also sign up for some Spanish lessons this whole month of September. We have a 25% off discount code for all the bundles. Just type in bundle as your discount code and you got your deal right there. Tú sabes que lo que no fuimos.